Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tushar Prajapati. Today we are learning a new practical on our CCNA series. Name of that practical is PPP, is the point-to-point protocol, and there are two methods of learning of this point-to-point protocol. One is PAP and another is CHAP. PAP means password authentication protocol and CHAP means challenge handshake authentication protocol. Now we can understand. First, PAP means this is router 1 and this is our router 2. Router 1 is send the information, means like username and password information, to router 2 by in simply a text format, and CHAP means challenge handshake authentication protocol, means router 1 give the challenge to the router 2, then router 2 reply that challenge to an reply this challenge and give the feedback in hash format, and then router 1 is get that hash format request and check that request, then if match with his router entities, then it will give the access to the router 2. So these are the two methods of PAP and CHAP. To that we have to learn this PPP method in our topology. Our topology is configuration is a EIGRP configuration. First we check the configuration. Now you can see show IP interface brief. You can see these are our two protocols. One is serial and another is fast Ethernet, and this is the status is showing physically and protocol is showing our data link here. Now another command is to show EI IP route to check our routing information. There is a D indicates the EIGRP protocol method. Now another command is check for EIGRP neighbors, means show IP EIGRP neighbors. The neighbor of router 1 is router 2. Is an IP address of router 2 is 10.002. Now first start with the configuration with the of PPP from the router 1. So let's start the configuration. In router 1 we have to give the configuration mode, then we have to first give the user name is route R2. You must check that information is case sensitive of the router name, and password is CCNA. Now we have to go in command. In command we have to interface serial 0/2/0, which is our serial interface of router 1. Now in that we have to give the command encapsulation method. Encapsulation is, there are three different options: frame relay options, HDLC is by default HDLC, and PPP. Now we have to give the PPP. You can see the line interface is showing is down, is 10.00 is down. So we can check by using this method. Do show IP interface brief. You can see that is our physical layer is up showing up, but data links layer is showing down. this 10.001 to 10.002 link data link is down. Now again we got in configuration mode, serial 0/2/0 command. We have to give another command, ppp authentication. But now the type of authentication method, we have to check the CHAP, means challenge handshake authentication protocol, and PAP means password authentication protocol. Means PAP indicates that data of password information is showing in text format, so we have to give the CHAP, it's more secure. Exit. Now we have to do same configuration on the router 2. Now first show IP interface brief. You can see that 10.002 is showing down. None of the information like show IP route for routing, so you cannot see now this limited number because one line is down. Now okay, configuration mode. The line is down due to two reasons, because in our router 2 is our encrypt solution is SDLC, and the router 1 encrypt solution is PPP. So there are two different methods, so we have to configure here PPP. So to up the line, so first give the username R1, password similar password CCNA. Again the interface serial. Now router 2 interface is serial 0/3/0. 0/3/0. Okay, encapsulation method is we have to give the PP. Similarly, give the PPP authentication check. Now we have to wait for check the results for some time. Show IP is still showing down. It takes some time to bring up the line up. You can see we have to wait some time, so we can check the configuration of router 3. So IP route get the last result not set. And here you can also see that some interface here you can see the protocol is up, but it cannot sing the because we have not configuration any like a PPP in router 3. Now you can check that the 10.001 is now up, so it takes some time. Show IP interface brief. Now you can see 10.002 is up. You can similarly you can also see then 10.002 neighbor is up. So do show IP interface brief. Now both the is line up. You can also check by ping 192.16 10.0012 to ping 10.0.2. sorry, we have to enter the is successfully ping. Oh. So this is the method of the PAP and CHAP. So it takes some time to take the effect of from PPP to SDLC and SDLC to PPP. So guys, this is the video of the PPP. If you like it this video, then press the like and subscribe my YouTube channel Tushar Prajapati, and don't forget to click on the press the bell icon to receive the more notifications about the different kind of videos like CCNA. I am also making some videos of like some food dishes and many another traveling, but right now the traveling is not happened due to the coronavirus. So like the video and stay safe and stay home. Bye.